is Goldie, and wherever I go, she likes to kind of hide. She's really cute. I love her little kind of rumpled up little nose, but this is Goldie, and she's not really good at doing videos. And so we can't take the cats out of the room, and we can't put them on the cat trees. There's really not much to do in this orange room. Anyway, Goldie and her brother Goldilocks were adopted last summer. Their half-sister is Emily, and all the other litter mates, the 3 other, were 5 total of her litter, were adopted, and then Goldie came back due to the fact that the family was moving instead of Goldilocks. So she's currently up for adoption. Come here, Goldie. And she likes to hide under things. I'm not sure what the deal is, but she likes to hide. She's really sweet, and she's currently up for adoption. She's been spayed. She's been tested for feline leukemia and FIV, and it's negative. And she's also received 3 RDCP shots and a rabies, and she's just a really sweet girl. So thanks for considering an older kitten, and she's really sweet. Will you come over here? She's really not a very good subject to video. She really needs something to be entertained. Let's go sit in the box. You want to sit in the box? Let's sit in the box then. Anyway, this is Goldie, and she's ready to move on to her forever home. Her brother Goldilocks has been adopted already. And if you need low-cost spaying and neuter, check out streetcatstulsa.org. And as always, please spay and neuter your pets.